Using SuperTables, it's possible to create different views for your users. So when you publish, you can have a list of different options that your users can click and instantly be shown a different view of SuperTables. I'll show you how you can do this. First of all, we'll connect to SuperTables. I'll go to the Marks pane and click on SuperTables. So I'll create a very basic SuperTables table. We'll have some dimensions and measures. So at this point, we need to do two things. We need to create the parameters and then connect them to the extension. So we need two parameters. You can do this by going to the top drop down, hit create parameter. We'll call this one store my SuperTables. It needs to be of type string and empty. We'll then go to the Format Extension button, which is in the Marks pane. And then here on the first page of General tab, it says Store the table layout in. What we're doing here, we'll connect to that parameter that we've just created. And now any changes of the view, of the dimensions, of the measures, will all be stored in that parameter. Secondly, we'll create a second parameter. And this will be our list view. So this is where we'll create different views and have them in a list for users to choose. That will need to be of type string, no value, and this will be a list. So we'll go OK, then create a dashboard and bring that SuperTables instance to your dashboard. Now we need to look at both of those parameters because we'll be using them right now. So we've got the list view and we've also got the stored view. So you can see it's already got some information because that's the data that's being fed via SuperTables. So to create different views in your list, we need to copy the value of this parameter, edit the other parameter, paste that value, and then we'll give it a nice name, original view. So just for another example, we'll group on a category. That will now have changed that view. We'll go edit, add that one into the view, so on and so forth. So you can create as many different views as you wish doing this flow. Lastly, we'll need to go to the sheet, back to the Format Extension button, then to the Appearance tab. To the bottom, you will see update when the value of a parameter changes, and then we also want user parameter switch between the layouts. So this is where we choose that list view. So when we change that view, the extension will react to those changes. So you see now if we go to the original view, from category to the original view, you see we now have different views in SuperTables. I hope this helped. We'll see you in the next one.